5 класс. Английский язык. Домашнее задание. Страница 61. English. Spotlight 5. American TV families. Homework page 61. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I am your English teacher today. And now repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. It's getting late. It's getting late. It's getting late and I really hate to say goodbye. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. I got to go home. Please don't go. It's getting late and I really hate to say goodbye. But I've got to go home. Oh no, please don't go. Boys and girls, we must repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето, summer. It is summer. Boys and girls, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. It is winter. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. It is spring. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. It is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat poem about season of the year. Repeat after me. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. Boys and girls, we begin our English lesson. Open your books, please. Page number 61. Карта Corner. American TV families. Американские TV семьи. The Simpsons. Look at the picture, please. Exercise number 1. Letter B. Who are the Simpsons? What do they look like? What are they like? Read, draw and check. Кто? Американская семья Симпсоны. Как они выглядят? Read the answer. American TV families. The Simpsons is very popular TV show. Lisa Simpson is Bart's sister. She is short and she's got fair hair. She is very clever. Bart Simpson is short with fair hair. He is naughty and noisy. Maggie Simpson is Lisa and Bart's baby sister. She is small and has got fair hair. She is quiet, friendly, and very clever. Homer Simpson is the children's father. He is tall and fat. He is not clever, but he is funny. Marge Simpson is the children's mother. She is tall and slim, and her hair is blue. She is very patient and kind. We must do exercise number 1, page number 61. Let us see. Match the pictures to the text. Сопоставьте картинки с текстом. Letter A – Bart, letter B – Liz, letter C – Maggie, letter D – Marge, letter E – Homer. And now, boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Read the text and fill in the missing words. Listen and check. Exercise number 2. Прочитайте текст и заполните пропуски в предложениях. The Simpsons is very popular TV show, not just in America, but all over the world. It is about a funny cartoon family from Springfield, USA. Lisa Simpson is 8 years old. She's short and she's got fair hair. She is very clever. She can sing and play the saxophone, and she can speak Swedish and French. Bud Simpson is 10 years old. He's short with fair hair. He's naughty and noisy. He likes comic books and skateboarding. He can speak French. He's got 2 sisters, Liz and Madge. Maggie Simpson is the baby of the family. She is small and she has got fair hair. She can't walk and she can't talk, but she can play the saxophone. She is quite friendly and very clever. Homer Simpson is the father of the family. He is 39 years old. He is tall and fat. He likes eating and drinking very much. He is not very clever, but he is funny. Madge Simpson is the mother of the family. She is 38 years old. She is tall and slim, and her hair is blue. She can cook well, and she is very patient and kind. She is afraid of flying. Look at the answer, please. The answer. Number 1, can. Number 2, got. Number 3, and. Number 4, old. Number 5, her. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 4. Make a poster about your favorite TV family in your country. Use the internet to find pictures and write short descriptions. Use the text above as a model. Сделай постер о твоей любимой телевизионной семье. Используй интернет, чтобы найти картинки и написать короткое описание. Используй текст выше как модель. The answer. The Flintstones. Fred Flintstone is short and chubby. He's got short black hair, a round nose, and a big mouth. He is funny and very sensitive, and loves his wife Wilma and his baby daughter Pablis very much. Wilma is short and slim. She's got long red hair and small eyes and thin lips. She's patient and kind and very organized. She's funny too. Pablis is small and cute. She's got long red hair and a small nose and mouth. She's quiet and very clever. My dear friends, the lesson is over. Goodbye.